This is the program that I'm currently working on. A program for my the 8 types of full and stripped down versions of my Magic Ghost Number cubes. Um, these are the first 4 types. This is the Hyper Magic Ghost Number cube supporting backbones, is what I call them. This is the secondary number types, Magic Ghost Number types, and below are the complex number addition and multiplication forms. Now you can't see this too well, so I'm going to try to bring this up a little bit without screwing up anything. So this is the first 4 types of Magic Ghost Number cubes and their central outer ghost number proportion patterns 3, 4, 6, 8. And I didn't include it, but I meant to imply that their stripped down versions are next to them. I only have the first one, the normal one, done so far. This is the normal one, the top one, and its proportion is 3. The central ghost number 21 goes into the outer ghost number 63 3 times, and this is it in its stripped down form 21. And there's a special relationship among the stripped down versions numbers. I've only had this done so far, and I made a copy of the equation. This is only an addition, but it can be easily translated into multiplication. I made a copy of the equation, the addition equation, so I can repeat that again and again with all these other parts. This is the backbone of the super hyper Magic Ghost Number cube. The backbone of the super hyper cube. These are the parts, and their pieces are over here. Their stripped down versions are over here, and these are the backbones. I call them one of the supporting equations. Let's see if I can get these here. These are the secondary. These are the secondary 4 types of Magic Ghost Number cubes and their central outer ghost number proportion patterns 2, 5, 7, 8, and 9. And this has a 2 proportion. It's plain diagonals. The top one. This has plain and cube diagonals. 5 proportion. The top one. The bottom one has a 7 proportion. 1 plus 6 is 7. Numerologically, and these are the corner and edges of the circulus box. And then the last one has both compiled. The 1 plus 7 is 8, and the 1 plus 8 is 9. The entire numbered box and the central cube number included would bring it to these, which is a pattern. If I remember right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And these are their corresponding stripped down versions, and they're yet to be completed. And as a bonus to all this research program, I guess I can call it that, are the complex addition Magic Ghost Number cube and its stripped down version, and the complex multiplication Magic Ghost Number cube, and again its stripped down version below it. So I'm currently working to fill these out. I perceive some big discoveries that could be made of investigating all these different forms of magic ghost number cubes. So I'm eager to actually get started and start working on this, on these things. So, thanks a lot for watching.